Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Timikenza James. For our new subscribers, you're welcome, and for the old ones, you're also very welcome. So today I'm going to be teaching you how to use an eyelet plier. So this is an eyelet plier. We use it to fix eyelets, just like I have on this my shirt here. You can see, so it's the smaller one of it I'm going to be using. So you see, you can use it on corsets or on a dress, on a blouse, even at the back side or anywhere. You can use them for decoration or to make necklines, just like we have here. You can put it on the sleeves, just basically anywhere. And if you don't want to use a zipper or any form of closing the back side of a dress, you can actually use eyelets there. Then you put in make loops like this, just like this one. Then you put in rope to tie them anywhere. They are like the most versatile thing I know. You can use them virtually everywhere. You can just use them to make designs or anything. So whatever. So we have our eyelet plier here. We have our eyelets, and then we have our fabric where I'm going to be fixing it. You can actually use these eyelets on virtually everywhere on your dress. So this is an example of it. You can see it on my t-shirt, so it made the t-shirt look more beautiful. So what you're going to do is just ensure that wherever you're fixing it has a little bit of stability. Like you can infuse that place with any fusible interfacing, or you can double the fabric at that point. So if you look at my t-shirt, it's doubled at that point with the material. So I'm just going to be using this piece of fabric. You can see I doubled it. So that's what I'm just going to be doing. So I'll pick my eyelets out, pick one out like this. Then I'll unbox my eyelet plier, just take out this paper. Then here you have it. It has this, it comes with this little iron here that covers the mouth. So you just pull out the iron. Once you do that, the mouth opens. So it has two functions actually. This point here, it's the point where you more or less like stamp the eyelet to get it to be sealed and nice. And then we have this opening here where you puncture. If you close it like this, you look at this iron here, is coming out to puncture the fabric. So I'm just going to show you how to do that. So you grab your piece of fabric like this. Let's assume this is your dress and this is where you want your eyelets to be. You just slide it in between this point here. Then you make sure you hold the fabric to be stable. Then you just puncture that properly. So you see it has created a hole, but the hole doesn't look clean because it's a fabric. If I do that on a piece of carton like this, you will see it properly. So let me just, you can see. So let me do it again for you to see. So depending on your fabric, it also works fine for jersey material or stretch materials that are stiff like that. So this one, because it's a cotton fabric, so but this will not affect anything because you're just creating space where you can put your eyelet. So I'm just going to put my eyelet in like this. Let's assume this is the right side. I will just put my eyelet, then just hold that carefully. Then you bring it to this point. You make sure this smaller knob here, the smaller pin, goes in like this into the eyelets like this. Then press it down very well. So you see it has sealed it. This is the back side, this is the front side. Just look at it, that's beautiful. So I'm going to do that once more. I'm going to take out another eyelet. Then into the second function. Just going to be pressing that. That's created the hole. I'll come over with my eyelet, fix it in, bring it to the second function, take out any material on the way. So the smaller side here, or you can use, so let me do this one more time. You see on the eyelet there's this flat side that is smooth. This is the right side of the eyelet. Then we have this other side, which is the wrong side of the eyelet, that is kind of rough and it looks like it has teeth like that. Then this wrong side is what you put in like that towards the back of the fabric. Then you bring your eyelet plier. The side with the spring is the one that goes into the right side of the eyelet like this. Then the side, the smaller knob here without the pin, enters into the wrong side of the eyelet. Then you press. So I believe this is the best I can explain this. So you can see we have 3 put already. So just imagine this on somewhere on your clothes. This is beautiful. So that is it about using an eyelet plier. So thank you so much guys for watching. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Ensure to share this video with your friends, subscribe and hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I have a new video up on the channel. See you in my next video. Bye.